Ugh, it sounds horrible. And not because it's metal. Some of us like that. Sorry, Mom. Do you like my whammy bar microphone? It's magnetic and looks like a dandelion. Problem is, with heavy palm muted chugs, every tiny metal thing thinks it's the king of the scene. The springs in the back are ringing. The strings above are singing. The overtones are pinging. The whole thing is zinging. So what do we do about it? Get your screwdrivers, ladies and gentlemen. Who am I kidding? Lady and gentlemen. Ernie Ball makes these nifty rubber rings that deaden the springs in the back of your guitar. You might not think those springs make much of a difference, but there's only a ½ inch of wood between the springs and those very sensitive magnetic pickups. They also designed a piece of rubber that fits into the strings above the nut. Some people leave these areas open for special effects, but I do not. That's sounding so much better. Let's give it a before and after.